Hindi pwede insurance. Sa 10,000 pa lang, third party pa lang yun. Hindi naman covered sa insurance to eh. Pag i-replace to, di pa rin, kulang pa rin yun.
The insurance will pay us. That's what.
Hindi.
Why?
Kailangan malaki ang ano. Kasi nasa mga ano lang to eh. O kunwari 15,000 o 5,000 ang covered sa insurance eh. 5,000 lang. Ang insurance pag ganito, yung ganito lang ang damage, hindi covered sa insurance yan.
Oh,
maliit lang yun.
If this is the damage done,
no covered.
Why? It's not covered by the insurance. I don't
50,000 yan covered din sa insurance. Yung ganyan.
Depends. Maybe you can call your insurance then.
Yeah.
Yeah?